Yo, with the hottest, man, emfuleni. With the hottest emfuleni. Except Masira for it. How are you, my nigga?
Say I'm good. Good I'm John, man.
Anti grand for it, man, yabo. Ndiyabulela fethu namkela kwakho fethu yabo. Ngesikhathi esiningi kangaka ubewuza leqo studio chi.
Yeah, ngiyabulela for the opportunity futhi mani yami yabo.
Except machi man, hayi man ngivizithele ngezingoma zakho zi2 man. uMessi no my love for wena.
Okay.
Yayibona chi. Like can you brief me fast chi what happened to uMessi? Kwakuthini uzobhalela ngoma chi? Like
so Messi yabo. I was addressing something but abantu who are like abakuchongela phansi kubona. So like la track leyana abantu abaninzi who are like ekasi abajongelwa phansi ikunika la way bajonga nawe ngumuntu
yeah.
So that's why nsithi njenge train egqabhukileyo nenza Messi, which means I am him. So ithi la way ithi njenge train egqabhukileyo mna nenza Messi, flow iyanxelisa ungayibiza uba uphet, sponge sachichiza but unano buya back. I guess mna ndifuna icash. Ithi I've got ballers not badlala ibhola cause they sell tick. Usajika ikona baya kubona ubuze ngeshit. They told me not to worry uze kabi, it's a hit. That's why I trust nobody cause no life or you get killed.
Damn,
I'm trying to find my way up to the top in this bit. I'm trying to stake the paper high in this bit. So zendilahle kwathema ngaba sendifeel. I wanna be me. Wanna be free.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go, yeah. Like you are the hottest nyan shit. Like I give you my nigga, I give you chill, and I feel like the more you bala chi, about you growing chi as a artist chi, like you growing from where like uqala ucula chi, like from now chi, bro, like I give you I give you my chi. Except I won't say slash life asekas man. Kamlam dong up here uzeko man all the way fully 700 double own sekas. If you still Masira, let's go man.
In the clinic, I could be like,